Want to upgrade your printing game this year? You're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 5 combo heat press machines of 2025. These all-in-one machines handle shirts, mugs, hats, and more. One standout? It heats fast, presses smooth, and works with everything. I invested a lot of time and effort in researching and handpicking these products. They're perfect for custom t-shirt businesses, hobbyists, or serious creators. In this video, we'll cover temperature control, ease of use, and build quality. You'll find out which machine gives you pro results without the hassle. From swing-away arms to digital displays, these picks are loaded with features. Don't miss the final pick. It might surprise you. Links in the description below. Hit the like button. Subscribe for more product reviews. And don't forget to ring that notification bell. Number 5. VIVORE 8-in-1 Combo Upgrade Heat Press Machine. It impresses with versatility and performance. This heat press offers a complete solution for various printing needs. Its design allows for accurate heat transfer on different surfaces like shirts, caps, mugs, and plates. The machine features a 360-degree rotation for easy operation. Users appreciate the digital temperature and time settings. You can quickly customize your projects with precise adjustments. The construction feels sturdy and reliable, making it suitable for daily use. It heats up quickly, saving you valuable time during projects. The non-stick surface ensures clean transfers without residue. Both beginners and experienced users will find this machine easy to use. Setup and operation are straightforward, lacking complicated instructions. Customer reviews highlight its effectiveness and quality. The VIVORE heat press is perfect for crafting enthusiasts or small business owners. Overall, this machine provides excellent value and functionality for all your heat transfer needs. You will enjoy creativity and precision with this fantastic product. Number 4. Shuhao 15-in-1 Combo Heat Press Machine offers versatility. This machine features multiple attachments for various heat transfer projects. It includes 8 mug presses, 2 plate presses, and more. The maximum heating temperature reaches 450 degrees Fahrenheit. With dual heating tube technology, it ensures even heat distribution. The Teflon-coated platen simplifies cleaning and maintenance tasks. The digital controller is user-friendly for precise adjustments. Its safety features include dual insulation and an automatic shutdown mechanism. The machine is perfect for both hobbyists and professionals. Creating custom designs on t-shirts, caps, and mugs becomes easy. Additionally, it includes free gifts such as sublimation papers. The 360-degree rotation design minimizes safety risks during operation. Overall, Shuhao 15-in-1 Combo Heat Press Machine delivers top performance. This product is reliable for all your crafting needs. It effectively combines various functions in one unit. If you are looking for a heat press machine, consider this excellent choice. It promises to enhance your creativity and productivity at every turn. Number 3. Automatic 8-in-1 Combo Sublimation Printer offers impressive versatility. This machine features 8 functions in one compact design. It easily transfers images onto various materials. You can use it for t-shirts, mugs, and hats. The heat press operates quietly and efficiently at a consistent temperature. Users appreciate how simple it is to set up and operate. The build quality feels sturdy, ensuring long-lasting use. It heats up quickly, saving you time on projects. The clear digital display simplifies adjustments and settings. Many users report excellent results with vibrant colors and precise details. The included accessories enhance its functionality and convenience. This product is ideal for DIY enthusiasts and small business owners. You can create custom items effortlessly and professionally. Overall, the automatic 8-in-1 Combo Sublimation Printer stands out. It combines quality, convenience, and affordability in one package. This product is a fantastic addition to your crafting toolkit. You will find joy in creating with this versatile machine. It truly elevates your creative possibilities. Number 2. The H-Tyvrant Auto Heat Press Machine shines in performance. This machine provides consistent heating for excellent results. Its easy-to-use design suits beginners and experts alike. The automatic pressure feature ensures even transfers every time. Users can create t-shirts and other items effortlessly. This heat press heats up quickly, saving valuable time. The compact size makes it perfect for small spaces. Durability stands out, offering long-lasting use for enthusiasts. It easily handles different materials, including vinyl and fabric. The safety features add peace of mind during operation. Many users rave about its efficiency and quality of results. This heat press machine is suitable for DIY projects and small businesses alike. Reviewers appreciate its versatility for various applications. Setting up the machine takes only a few minutes. With positive feedback from numerous users, confidence in this product is high. The HT-VIVORE Auto Heat Press Machine is a smart investment for creative individuals. It delivers impressive results while being user-friendly and reliable. Number 1. The VIVORE Combo Heat Press Machine is an excellent choice. This versatile machine combines multiple features in one unit. It handles different materials such as t-shirts, hats, and mugs. The machine has a temperature range of 200 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This feature ensures optimal results for various projects. It also has a time setting of 0 to 999 seconds. This range allows for flexibility in your pressing tasks. Users appreciate the ease of operation and straightforward controls. The machine offers even pressure distribution for consistent results. Many customers noted its solid build quality and durability. It heats up quickly, which saves valuable time during projects. This heat press is ideal for beginners and experienced users alike. The compact design makes it easy to store when not in use. Overall, the VIVORE Combo Heat Press Machine is reliable and efficient. It empowers users to create beautiful, professional quality designs effortlessly. You can confidently invest in this machine for your crafting needs.